Yo, what's up YouTube? This your boy Cuss over here at Custom Made Barbershop in Jacksonville. Psych, we on vacation today, okay? I'm doing the first time ever, this has never been done on YouTube, a haircut on the beach, y'all. And if you could guess what beach this is, you will be the first person to ever guess what beach this is on YouTube. Okay, now check me out. This is my boy Mike. History is being made right now. This is the first time a haircut has ever been done on the beach, and the first time you ever seen a $2,000 haircut with a $200 tip. Can I get an amen? And shout out to Barber Illuminati. We are on here breaking records, making history. You have never seen a $2,200, well, a $2,000 haircut with a $200 tip on YouTube. So y'all check me out. This is my normal skin fade, medium skin fade with a 3 on top. Just basic haircut. I'm not gonna do too much talking on this video because you guys pretty much, if you've been following my channel, you pretty much know how to fade by now. And if not, if you're just starting to watch, go ahead and click on some of my other videos and you will too learn how to do a $2,000 haircut on the beach of an exotic island on YouTube. All right, now can I get an amen? Amen. So y'all keep watching. Go ahead and like this video if you like the content on here. Don't forget to subscribe to my Instagram. That's custom_made_cuts. Shout out to Barber Illuminati. Shout out to my boy Mike. And shout out to Custom Made Barbershop in Jacksonville, Florida, y'all. Peace.